Greetings to Dr. Zama. Today, my group will discuss about Wise, which is one of a good example of fintech company in today's financial system. My name is Catherine Glory Avonpao, and today I will talk about a little bit background of Wise. Wise, previously known as TransferWise, was founded in 2011 in London by David Henricus and Kristen Carmen. The company emerged in response to problems within traditional banking, especially the use of hidden fees and unfavorable exchange rates in international money transfers, which reduced transparency for consumers. As a fintech firm, Wise uses digital platforms and technology to offer a more efficient solution. It introduced a peer-to-peer transfer system that applies the mid-market exchange rate, which is the real exchange rate without any markups. This technology approach significantly reduced transaction costs, making international transfers up to 8 times cheaper than those offered by traditional banks. Over time, Wise evolved beyond a simple money transfer service. In 2021, it rebranded as Wise to reflect its expansion into a full financial ecosystem. Today, it provides multi-currency accounts, debit cards, and business APIs, which allow both individuals and firms to manage cross-border payments more efficiently. Currently, Wise serves over 50 million users worldwide and processes more than £100 billion annually. From a fintech perspective, Wise demonstrates how technology can disrupt traditional financial intermediaries by increasing transparency, reducing costs, and improving customers' experience. Its mission to make money borderless highlights the role of fintech in creating a more integrated global financial system.
Hi, my name is Norasmi, metric number 105435. Now, I will explain the main product offered by Wise and how they are used by customers. First, Wise offers a multi-currency account that allows users to hold and manage money in different currency in one account. Next, Wise provides a debit card that enables users to spend money internationally using the real exchange rate. Wise also offers international transfer services, which allow users to send money overseas faster and at lower cost compared to traditional banks. In addition, Wise has a feature called jars, which help users organize their money for saving or specific expenses. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is David Huanshen. I will present about the factor protection of Wise. There are several factor protection of Wise, like labor, capital, entrepreneurship, and technology. Labor plays an central role in organization operation through the contribution of software engineer, compliance staff, and customer support personnel. Software engineers are responsible for developing, maintaining, and improve digital systems that support efficient service delivery. Compliance staff ensures that all business activities meet legal and requirements, helping to minimize risk and maintain compliance credibility. Customer support staff interact directly with customers by addressing inquiries and resource issues, which enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. Capital is equally important as technology platform and data systems provide the infrastructure need for daily operation and informed decision making, where finance capital support investment, expansion, and innovation. Experiences through effective management and continuous innovation enable the organization to allow resources effectively adapt to market change and create competitive advantage. Technology participant artificial intelligence and digital platform further the scalar platform by enabling automation, improve data analysis, and develop faster and more personalized service.
My name is Kok Min Sai. I will continue to present this infographic as a part to compare Wise to four major competitors in the money transfer and payment space highlighting the key weaknesses that Wise seeks to overcome. The table shows that the first competitor is traditional banks like HSBC still rely on the outstate-wise network, leading to high hidden fees and poor exchange rates. The Western Union is the second competitor. While having a fast physical operation for cash transfers, is known for being expensive and less optimized for digital users. The third one competitor is PayPal. The PayPal is convenient for online shopping, but it is notorious for applying very high margins on currency conversions, making international transfers costly. The last one competitor is Remedy. While specialized for family remittance, uses variable pricing that can be unclear and inconsistent. In contrast, Wise positions itself as the transparent, low cost, and also digital first alternative. It bypasses the old Wise system, uses the real niche market exchange rate with only a small upfront fee, and is built specifically for online and mobile use. This makes Wise a compelling substitute for anyone sending money internationally who values fairness, clarity, and modern technology over traditional costly methods.
Hello, my name is Michelle Liana Robert, and I will explain for Wise performance analysis during pre-COVID. Even before the pandemic, Wise was on a strong growth trajectory. In 2018, revenue stood at around £179 million. By 2019, it surged to approximately £302 million, a significant jump in just 1 year. This growth was fueled by three key drivers. First, a growing international remittances, increasing user trust in low-fee transfers, and expansion into more countries and services. Wise was clearly gaining momentum in the fintech space well before COVID-19. Wise overall performance has been upward and stable. The company has been a rapid increase in user globally, supported by a strong transaction volumes. They have continued to expand the business and innovate, while also growing profitability and brand recognition. In short, Wise isn't just growing, it's scaling sustainably and winning trust in competitive market. Now let's talk about operating costs. Wise have been investing heavily in three key areas. First, technology development, where they have to enhance platform efficiency and user experience. Second, expanding operations and workforce to support global growth. And third, strengthening regulatory compliance and security system, ensuring the customer trust and safety. Despite these rising costs, Wise have managed to maintain profitability, a testament to its lean and scalable business model.
Hello, my name is Fauna LG Adirin, matrix number 104151. So, for performance trend post-COVID-19 2021 until 2025, looking at the data provided, we can see a clear comparison between Wise total revenue and its operating cost over a 5-year period. So for revenue growth, the blue bar chart show a massive upward trend. Starting in 2021, the revenue was just above 400 million, but by 2025, it skyrocketed to over 1.2 billion. This indicates that Wise has successfully scaled its business and captured a much larger share of the capital of the market. Operating costs, the orange bar chart represent the cost of running business. While costs have increased as the company grew, they stay well below the revenue bar chart. So for the profit gap, the most important detail here is the widening gap between the two bar chart, because revenue is growing much faster than cost. It shows that Wise is becoming more efficient and more profitable, and it's get bigger. This proves that Wise isn't just growing, it's scaling effectively. They are bringing in significantly more money each year while keeping their spending under control. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nur Ain binti Nasri with metric number 105416, and now I will be presenting the externalities created by WISE. When we talk about markets, we usually think about two players, the buyer and the seller. But in the real world, transactions often have spillover effects on third parties who were involved in the deal. In economics, we call these externalities. Let's start with the good news, the positive externalities. WISE doesn't just help its 15.6 million users. It creates a better environment for everyone. By improving financial access for migrants and small businesses, it strengthens the global economy. Plus, WISE forces traditional banks to compete harder. This spillover benefits means lower bank fees for everyone, even for people who don't use WISE. However, there are also negative externalities or hidden costs to society. As more people move to digital platforms like WISE, the demand for physical bank branches drops. This shift can lead to job losses for bank tellers and staff. Furthermore, since WISE requires the internet, it risks digital exclusion, leaving behind people who don't have reliable access to technology.
Hi, my name is Infographic Anthony. Will now explain two government economic policy for recommendation. First is digital financial inclusion. The government can support fintech company by providing incentive and infrastructure so an affordable digital financial services can reach rural communities, low-income users, and small businesses. Second is regulatory and competition support. This policy implemented on how markets operate and to ensure fair competition by simplifying fintech regulation and encouraging fair competition. The government can reduce transaction costs and improve the efficiency and quality of digital financial services. For that, these policies promote financial access, low cost, and support the strong digital economy. Thank you.